This particular album is a very exciting project for me, mainly because it's something that we're doing again. And it's exciting because, unlike everybody else these days who is saying it's something different, it's not. It's just the same me. It's just Usha one more time. And I want to say that, ever since I started singing in 1969, that was 28 years ago, 29 years ago, it's been absolutely wonderful for me because I've always been singing other people's songs. And even if I sang in a nightclub, then I always included one Hindi song or a Punjabi song. And now, of course, it's become many other languages because I sing in about 13 Indian languages and about 7 foreign languages, yeah. So that's really exciting. So when people talk about remix as a new phenomenon, I'd like to say that it's really not so new for me. लोग सोचते रहते हैं कि this is something new that has come in. Actually, for me, it's not because, as I said, ever since I can remember, I've been singing everybody else's song because, as I've said time and time again, that a song is a song is a song. And once it gets out of your head and your mouth, it belongs to me and you, to everybody, to share. This particular, Mega Mix 1 had a wonderful sale. It was a big, big hit. And of course, it collected the people one more time with me. And it connected all my songs one more time to the old times. And if you're wondering what I'm talking about the hit song Hari Om Hari, the hit song Rambaho and Shan, and दोस्तों से प्यार किया दुश्मनों से बदला लिया जो भी किया हमने किया शान से. Okay, so that's my lifeline actually. जो भी करो शान से करो, otherwise don't do it at all. So that song, that album had all my own songs, including Disco Dancer and really big hits.
This is the set for Chin Chin Chu. We've got the concept is a single line concept. There's a girl who's wanting to cross the street in the middle of the night, and you've got roadside Romeos, and she uses a charm to walk across. That's it. All these songs are tried and tested songs which have been accepted, songs which have been liked.
That included songs like बेकरार करके हमें यूं न जाइए आपको हमारी कसम. Come back again. Okay. And then there's a song called Babuji Dheere Chalna and Mera Naam Chin Chin Chu. These are all time tested and stage tested and audience tested songs for me. They've all been hits on my show, you see. So we just thought we'd put it all together. I'm not here to say that my thing is very different or anything like that, but it's just the same. It's me. It's Usha singing the songs that I've always believed in, singing the songs that I love, and singing the songs which I know the people will love. Mera naam Chin Chin Chu, Chin Chin Chu, Baba Chin Chin Chu. Raat chandni main aur tu, hello mister, how do you do? Abba.